Alice Go. Ano pong marching orders nyo? And sino-sino po yung masisibak, sir, sa BI or other agencies?
Well, they don't require marching orders. They are doing they're implementing the legal orders that were sent to them by the court. And that is to bring back the fugitive Alice Go to the Philippines. So that is what they are doing. We are already finalizing the arrangements for the return of Alice Go back to the Philippines sometime today.
Sir, sino-sino po yung masisibak? Sino yung masisibak?
Sino?
Masisibak, sir.
Oh, you'll find out soon enough.
Sir, may number na ba tayo? Ilang personnel po yun? Ilan po yung masisibak, sir?
And if all of those who are implicated in the in assisting Alice Go to leave the Philippines illegally as a fugitive from justice will certainly pay the price. Not only will they, ang tanong nyo, sino yung sisibakin? Hindi lang namin sila sisibakin, kakasuhan pa namin sila. Dahil ang kanilang ginawa ay labag sa batas at against all of the interests of the Philippine judicial system. Okay?
Sir,